Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research, and in today's video we will see how you can split a PDF file into multiple PDF on Mac without using any software. Let me open a PDF file. So this is the PDF file. I want to split it into multiple PDF. So the process is, for example, if you want to take out this page, go to this particular page, go to File and say Export. First you need to export as JPG, say as best quality. Make sure that you have saved it on a current location, then save. So let's go to the folder. If you can see, this is the page. This is in the format of JPG. We just have to convert it into PDF. Save. And that's it. Now it has been converted into PDF. So now you have the JPG version also and the PDF version also. A separate page of the file which you are able to extract from this entire PDF. In this way you can easily split your PDF file into multiple individual PDF. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with me. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.